What sort of money did the booking clerk expect to be paid? How did the narrator manage to get that currency? The booking clerk expected to be paid money in the old style bills. Remember, he had gone to the 1890s and he was not in the present time. The narrator understood it when he glanced at the cash drawer near the booking clerk. These bills were half again as big as the money being used then and different looking. The narrator drew $300 out of the bank and bought old style currency from a coin dealer. Why? Because he wanted to go to Illinois. Galesburg, Illinois. What happened when Charlie went to the Grand Central Station with the old style currency bills? Charlie did not find the corridor that led to the third level. Since then, he has tried often enough but failed. His wife looked worried when he told her all that. She did not want him to look for the third level. After a while, he stopped when, after repeated attempts, he was not able to find the third level and went back to his stamp collection. But now both of them were looking every weekend because they had the proof that the third level was still there. And what was the proof? The proof was the envelope that was sent by their psychiatrist Sam Weiner. What happened when Charlie went to the Grand Central Station with the old style currency note? The next question is, who was Sam Weiner? What had happened to him? What was the narrator's suspicion about Sam? Sam Weiner was a friend and psychiatrist of the narrator. He had disappeared. Nobody knew where he was. The narrator suspected he was at Galesburg, Illinois. The narrator used to tell him about Galesburg, where he had gone to school. Sam said that he liked the sound of the place. Charlie thought that Sam was in Galesburg in 1894. So what you have to remember, dear students, what it was Charlie who wanted to reach up to the third level. He was not able to go, whereas his psychiatrist friend Sam Weiner had gone. What do you know about the first day cover? All countries issue new stamps from time to time. When a new stamp is issued, stamp collectors buy some and use them to mail envelopes to themselves on the very first day of sale. They just put a blank paper in the envelope. Such envelopes are never opened. The postmark proves the date of issue. The envelope is called a first day cover. The next question is, what did the narrator come across? Why was he surprised? One night the narrator was fussing with his stamp collection. He came across a first day cover that should not have been there. But it was there because someone had mailed it to Charlie's grandfather at his home in Galesburg. That was the address. The postmark read July the 18th, 1894. Yet the narrator did not remember it at all. Perhaps the envelope remained there after coming in the mail. All this had really surprised him. What did the note inside the first day cover reveal? The paper inside the first day cover was not blank. It contained a note by Sam, written by Sam from Galesburg on 18 July 1894 and addressed it to Charlie. It revealed that Sam had found the third level and had been in Galesburg for 2 weeks. He was enjoying the company of carefree, song and music loving people there. He advised Charlie to keep looking for the third level as it was worth it. One can very well understand that this psychiatrist also listening to the problems of the patients like Charlie. he himself might have wanted peace and serenity. And that is the reason why he was the first one to transfer himself to the past, that is to 1894 Galesburg, Illinois. How had Sam reached Galesburg? What did he advise Charlie to do? Now, in his notes, Sam had explained how he had reached Galesburg. First, he got to wishing that Charlie was right. Then he started believing that he was right. His belief became stronger and stronger. Now, since he had found the third level, he regarded Charlie's belief in the third level as true. He advised Charlie to keep looking for third level till he found it. Dear students, it's a big tricky chapter where you need to understand that the entire chapter is a science fiction. It is just transferring yourself from the present to the past just because you wanted to evade all the problems of the present. And the last question is, what did Charlie learn about Sam from the stamp and coin store? Charlie went to the stamp and coin store. He found out that Sam had bought $800 worth of old style currency. It was sufficient for him to set up a nice little hay, feed and gray business. I repeat, nice little hay, feed and grain business. He was always interested in it. Moreover, he could not continue his old business as psychiatrist back in 1894.